The first floor of this property splits into two sides, one offering 3 generous sized guest bedrooms paired with a family bathroom, as the other side offers a wonderful master bedroom space with generous ensuite as well. It's certainly worth saying that the vendors of this property have done a fantastic job in extending it and really maximising the potential of all of the ground level and first floor space with this property, which is why it's been a wonderfully popular option with so many families already. The exterior of the property is brilliant. You've got a wonderful enclosed rear garden, you've got the integral garage as well as that large workshop and shed in the back garden, and there is plenty of parking here. It's a fantastic opportunity.